Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input, which is on the second position, at least it should be, and enter the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of the languages which we've got previously applied. So we've got only English here. Let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick French, for example. Let's tap, and sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So let's tap on the one you'd like to use, and as you can see, it immediately appears on this list, but we've got still the English language as a main one. So in order to change it actually to the French, all you have to do is to simply tap on one you'd like to use, hold it, and as you can see, now drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in chosen language, in my case, French. So let me show it to you again. Let's switch to English. So just drag the one you'd like to use on the first position. Of course, if you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually, this is it. This is how to change system language in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.